Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again for another Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Coming from Ambaret, I do believe. Link is going to be down below. And you guys can check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Definitely excited for this. There we go. Get rid of the box. And we got this. Oh, these are nice. LED solar torch light control. So part 2 will be coming up at nighttime. These will probably be up hopefully by 11. So, but these are nice to have. And I believe we got a 2-box special. Let's see what these things look like. This will be nice for your home feature. You're outside barbecuing at nighttime. Alright. Everything coming out. There we go. There we go. Right there. Alright, LED solar torch light control. We got solar panel, LED lamp heads. Number 3 is going to be ABS, plastic ground spike on and off. And we got a longer ground stake. And here's all the good stuff. Solar panel is 0.88 watts, 17% efficiency. Li-ion battery is 2200 mAh. Weight is 230 Gs. Size 320 by 121 by 121. LED is 3528 by 96 PCS. Lumens is 35 IM, I do believe. LED span is 50,000 hours. Solar charging time is 8 hours. Auto identify day or night. Protect function. Overcharging, over discharging, overcurrent, short circuit. Ooh. Li-ion battery span is 5,000 or 500 cycles. Solar panel, more than 5 years. Whoa, this is some cool stuff. Oh, you still got summer in here for all you people in the West Coast. Look at that. Boom. Arizona, this would be perfect for your patios. Here we go, there's the light. There is a switch. Oh, oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys a better display once I get it positioned right outside, but right now, that's cool. Hopefully my neighbors don't call the cops or the fire department. Like, my backyard's on fire or something. I might just stick it at the front door. These are really cool. Okay, I'm going to turn the light back on. Turn these off. Oof, that's bright light. So pretty much easy. Pop in like so. Oops, I'm going to knock stuff over today. It's Friday. We got one of these. Add this, or I'm gonna do the extension. This one. Maybe even make it higher, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna plant them in somewhere, and then later on tonight we'll see the action. I'll be back, YouTubers. Oh, really quick, these are the extenders, the separate ones. Where are they? These. So you can add on the pole to make it longer. I needed to show you guys that. I figured that out. So you just gotta pop them in like that, and it gets like super tall. See, extension. Oh yeah, it's gonna look nice once I get it set up outside. YouTubers, be safe. I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the flames. I have them put in right there. And then on this side there's one. right there. So like I said, it's still bright outside. Sun going down soon, and we'll show you how they light up at night. Pretty cool, easy to install. I had to use a hammer, drill it in more. So here you go. There you go. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are outside now. Getting dark. Look at the moon. Definitely just about get total darkness. And here we go with the Ambaret. I call them tiki torches, but the solar flame. It's really sweet looking. Zooming out a little bit more. That's what it does. Zoom in on the light. Really cool. So you might want to get a couple for your backyard, your parents' home. Light up your backyard without using electricity. Definitely save you some money. But I think that's the only mode that can go in. Yeah, that's off. That's on. There's that one. That's really cool. Something different. I would put in maybe a couple in the front yard maybe, but backyard's just as good. So, alright YouTubers, you guys be safe, have a great weekend, and see ya.